Hey guys, it's Ben and Bullish, and we're back on another video. If I sound weird, it's because I have my retainers in, and that's why I sound muffled and all that. But I won't sound good until I practice talking like this. So let's just get into it. So yeah, SPY consolidated down basically for the session in the morning, or for the session yesterday, and then kind of fell throughout the night. It seems to be picking back up, and currently it's above my VWAP by I think $1 or so. So what we're looking to see is if it can hold the supply. If it does, I do think it will consolidate more in this zone. This zone was very like iffy yesterday. It wasn't really tradable. There were definitely trades to be taken, but it was definitely harder to find. But yeah, so consolidate in this zone again, probably upwards towards 588.70. If it manages to break past that, we see 590, 590, yeah, 590, and then up towards 595. On the downside, I would see it. Also, we could see it if it doesn't manage to break supply and comes to VWAP. We may see it just bounce around the VWAP, but not like break completely. So in that case, I would probably be more bullish. But yeah, probably be more bullish, and we probably see a lot of consolidation around the VWAP, and then it slowly break up. Um, and if it does not manage to just hold the VWAP entirely, we'd see it break down. Probably find sellers again at 584, and then come back down to, yes, 581, and then further down to 576. Let's go to NVDA. NVIDIA kind of did the same thing. Not the same thing. It went up. It was a lot more bullish yesterday, but it kind of went back down towards the end of the range. And so, just like SPY, or I don't know if I said, but the game plan is to try to see if it makes a lower high and then get in towards the top of the range. Hopefully before it gets into this 586, 588 level on SPY, because like I said, a lot of consolidation. But for NVIDIA, I'm probably I probably have less concerns going into NVIDIA just because it was so bullish yesterday, and there's a big gap to fill at 135. So yeah, but NVIDIA touched the bottom of the range really, and now is on the way back up, or was. We have to see if it's able to hold VWAP. If it doesn't, we'd probably see downtrend towards the end of the range at 131. I would like to see it start to reverse over here, and so we're over here at 131. Look for reversal patterns like inverse double top and stuff like that, inverse head and shoulders. If it doesn't manage to hold, we'll probably look for 127 and then 125. Look for reversal around these levels as well, because I don't think it will continue going much further than that. If it does manage to hold the VWAP, we're looking for it to go to the supply at 135, push past it, find buyers again around there, head towards 138. The next supply after that I would have is basically 140. Nice even number. And now Apple. That is funny because it went up a lot during like the first 5 minutes, and now it completely flipped. But like I literally the same thing. It's been trading this range a little bit longer since Monday. But what? Yeah. So right now seems to be breaking below VWAP. If that holds, we'd probably see it find sellers around 209. The next supply I'd have is 207. And then 205, I doubt it. I doubt it'll reach all the way over there. But yeah, look for a reversal around 207. More so 209. I think it will reverse around here, quite frankly. I don't think it will head much further down. But If it does manage to hold VWAP, I would look for it heading to 211, probably coming down and then finding bars again at 211. Uh, there was a lot of consolidation yesterday and the day before, so Wednesday and Tuesday. So this range, this range is iffy. So I wouldn't trade that either. I would try to get into a contract before the range, before it got in there, you know. But yes, so if it pushes past 213, our next applies are 214 and 216. But yeah, that's all we have for today. Let's end off with a quote of the day. This is not the same. Oh, okay. Yeah. Have patience. All things are difficult before they become easy. And I mean, this one resonates with me because I do a lot of, I'm trying to have a lot of hobbies. I have some hobbies. I take pictures. I have compost. Like, I do a lot of just, like, miscellaneous things, I guess we could call it. And all of them, whether it's just taking pictures, you've all felt like, what am I doing? But, the longer you go, the more you can see the improvement. So just whatever you're doing, keep going, and yeah, keep going, and put your effort into it. But hope you guys have a good day, trading day and whatnot. But stay tuned.